Hello, everyone. This is day 30. Let's start the session with an amazing invocation. And um, I'm actually a little, uh, I'm not going to use the word sad, but I'm little, I just like to stay connected. So I'm planning something. I will update on these two groups only, the magic groups that I have. So please be on this group. I'm planning something really exciting related to financial energy only this time. Again, like a month and a half course or something. So yes, please keep connected because I'm feeling so connected to all of you. Somehow I'm feeling connected to all the 300 people that are on these two groups. So please, let's just stay connected. Maybe in another week, 10 days, I'm planning something, for money energy. Very interesting. And I have done this course, by the way, the one that I'm trying to lead now. I've done this money energy course already. I've done it. And if we do that course for 45 days, it really has the most amazing benefits. And I am the product of that course. So I would keep yourself, maybe we'll start in another 10 days or something. Let's see, because I have to revise that course. And since it's like a 45 days course, so I have to give at least 1 hour or more every day to reading into it again. So I have to see how much can I accommodate. Anyway, not to delay much, let's start. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers. To my higher soul, to Master Chakoksui, Master Usui, Dr. Hayasi, Mrs. Takata, universe, solar system, sun, moon, stars, the planets, Devis and Devas, the air that I breathe, the water that I drink, the food that I eat, the financial success that shows up in my life every day, the support from the universe in all my endeavors, the success I'm receiving in each and every endeavor of my life, my relationships that are healing, my extremely healthy body, very attractive mind, intelligence that flows in me through me every day, um, the joy that is in my life, each and every cell of my body. Thank you for being so nice. Thank you. And thank you, Rhonda Byrne, for this amazing journey of 30 days. Each and every person who's connected to this book. Thank you again. Thank you. And thank you, all of you. Really, I'm feeling so connected to all of you that I was actually not wanting to do this session today because I was like, oh my God, this is my last chapter. So anyway, the magic never ends. So beautiful, amazing. So this kind of uh, motivated me a little bit, and kind of felt I felt nice that magic never ends. I practice gratitude every day of my life, and it's inconceivable to me now that I could have lived months, days, and years without practicing gratitude in some way or the other. Gratitude has become a part of my personality. It's in my cells and it's a pattern in my subconscious mind. But if we get caught up in life and forget to practice gratitude over a period of time, the magic will evaporate. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I'm practicing gratitude enough. I use the magic in my life as my guide to let me know if I'm practicing gratitude enough or if I need to practice more. I watch my life carefully, and if I find that I'm not feeling as happy, I increase my practice of gratitude. If a few little problems start appearing in a particular area of my life, immediately I increase the magical practices of gratitude in that area. I'm not blinded by false appearances anymore. Instead, I look for goodness to be grateful for in every circumstance, knowing that it's there, and then, like a puff of smoke, what was unwanted magically disappears. It's true. So yes, please, if you still haven't bought this book, please buy this book. This book should be handy. A beautiful paragraph written by Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a businesswoman, an actor, producer, media personality, philanthropist, social worker, uh, spiritual leader, law of attraction coach, etc., etc., etc. So Oprah Winfrey says, I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands. And when your focus is on the goodness of your life, you create more of it. Opportunities, relationships, even money flowed my way when I learned to be grateful no matter what happened in my life. Through the practice of gratitude, you are using an infallible law of universe. It is a gift from the universe to you, and it exists in order for you to use it and advance in your life. The universe and you. There is a level that you can reach with gratitude that causes unlimited abundance in your life. The way that this level of gratitude is reached is through your relationship with the universe, or if you prefer spirit or God. You can tend to think of the universe as separate from you. And when you think of it, look up above yourself towards the sky. While the universe most certainly is above you, it is also below you, on the right of you, on the left of you, in the front of you, at the back of you, in you, outside you, on your skin, in your eyes, in your hair, in your head, in your nail, everywhere. You are universe. While the universe is most certainly above you, it is below you, behind you, beside you, right, left, everywhere, and is in within every single thing and every single person. That means the universe is within you. You are universe. As below, so above. As above, so below. With this knowledge alone, you may work miracles. The Emerald Tablet. When you understand that the universe is within you, and by its very true nature, it is for you, wanting you to have more life, more health, more love, more beauty, then you will feel genuine gratitude to the universe for everything you receive in your life. And you will have established a personal relationship between you and the universe. The more genuine gratitude you feel towards the universe for everything you receive, the closer your relationship becomes with the universe. And that is when you can reach the level of unlimited abundance from the magic of gratitude. You will have opened your heart and mind completely to the magic of gratitude. And with it, you will touch the lives of everyone you come in contact with. You will have become a friend of the universe. You will become a channel for unlimited blessings of earth. When you feel that closeness of the universe within you, from that moment, the world will belong to you, and there will be nothing that you cannot be, have, or do. Whatever is the question, gratitude is the answer. Rhonda says that, and a lot of other philosophers and a lot of other ascended masters and teachers say that. Whatever is the question, gratitude is the answer. Gratitude is the course for broken or difficult. Gratitude is the cure for broken or difficult situations, for lack of health or money, and for unhappiness. Gratitude eliminates fear, worry, grief, and depression and brings happiness. Gratitude brings solution to problems and the opportunities and wherewithal to realize your dreams. Gratitude is behind every success and it opens the door to new ideas and discoveries. As the great scientists Newton and Einstein proved, imagine if every scientist followed in their footsteps. The world would be propelled into new territories of understanding, growth, and advancement. If gratitude became a mandatory subject in school, we would see a generation of children who would advance our civilization through spectacular accomplishments and discoveries, obliterating disagreements, ending wars, and bringing peace to the world. The nations who will lead the world in the future are the ones whose leaders and people are the most grateful people. The gratitude of a nation, the gratitude of nations people would cause their country to thrive and become rich, would cause illness and disease to drastically drop, businesses and production to escalate, and happiness and peace to sweep the nation. Poverty would disappear, and there would be not a single person in hunger because a grateful nation could never allow it to exist. The more people who discover gratitude's magical power, the faster it will sweep the world and cause a great revolution all over the world. Take the magic with you. Take gratitude wherever you go. Saturate the magic of gratitude into your passions, encounters, actions, and life situations to make all your dreams come true. In the future, if life presents you with a challenging situation that you think you have no control over and you are at loss as to what to do, instead of worry or fear, turn the magic of gratitude and be grateful for everything else in your life. When you deliberately thank the goodness in life, the circumstances around the challenging situation will magically change. Magically, yes, they change. We showed him the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful. Quran. Say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you. Say them out loud. Say them with passion, with full energy. Shout them from the rooftops. Whisper them to yourself. Say them in your mind or feel them in your heart. Feel them in every cell of your body. But whenever you go from this day forward, take the gratitude, the power of gratitude with you. Its magical power within you to have a magical life filled with abundance and happiness. The answer is on your lips. It's inside your heart. It is ready and waiting for you to bring forth the magic. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Rhonda Byrne. End of the book. We have come to the end of the book. Please buy the book. Please, 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 please buy the book. And thank you so much for being a part of this amazing book reading. Thank you so much for uh, following these practices, because I see the energy of the group, at least all 30 of us who do this every day. And at least some 50, 60 people who watch the videos every day. I can see it. I'm experiencing amazing things in my life. I pray that all you do. And thank you, thank you, thank you. And I really love you all. And I'm feeling the love of all of you for the entire group, for me, for this activity. And I will see you all soon. I'm planning another session, and it's going to be great. That session is inspired by Paula Horan, but I'm going to have to again revise that session. So maybe I'll take a couple of days to revise that session. And thank you all, and I love you all, and I want to see you all very soon. I want to stay connected. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's close the session. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grandmaster Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji, mailing all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, all the spiritual helpers, to Dr. Rusui, Dr. Hayasi, Mrs. Takata, to the universe, to the angels, to the abundance, to the success, the money, the prosperity, the relationships, the physical body healing, to each and every cell of my body, and to the joy, overflowing joy in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to Rhonda Byrne, to each and every person connected to this book. Thank you to all of you. Thank you, and I really love you. I will see you all very soon. Hold the magic rock tonight and identify the best thing that happened to you today. Continue. I want that, all of us, the 18 of us, and the regular people who have been so consistent with practicing these things, I want to pray all today that we all become alchemists, and everything that we touch becomes gold. that's how powerful I want all of us to become. And thank you so much again. Have a great night. Have a good night. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.